Hello and welcome. I am your host Caroline D'Souza and you are listening to Can't Be Contained, the podcast with a little bit of background noise of vehicles because, well, I live in Mumbai and I live on the first floor. Today I want to talk about 3 questions that have gone unanswered that I feel the need to explain. The first question being, what is Can't Be Contained? The second, what happened to season 1? Why did I stop that abruptly? And what is season 2 going to be like? Before I get into those 3, I would like to tell you all why this podcast did not come out on my promised day, because I think this is the 10th time I have recorded it. The first 9 times I tried to record, my phone mic was giving trouble. Then I tried to record it on my laptop. My laptop mic was giving trouble. I didn't try on my mom's phone or dad's phone. I don't know why it didn't occur to me that I could do that back then. But I also tried buying a mic, which I had to return because it didn't work. And I was so frustrated. I was so tired because I have contacted my guests. I have told them I am going to let them know when they can schedule the interview. And then I just take one whole week to just figure out my mic. Very stressful. But thanks to my brother's suggestion, I do have a lapel mic now that is working so wonderfully. So, yay, thanks bro. I was also supposed to talk about the coronavirus warriors that I met, but that's kind of an old story now, and I have repeated it 9 times while recording. I do not want to record it another time. So I'll tell you in short. There were these people who were sent by the government to check out a person who tested positive for coronavirus in my area. And what happened was they went to the floors, 1 floor above and 1 floor below the building where the patient was tested positive, and they checked the oxygen levels. Now, the problem with all of that was that A, they weren't wearing proper face masks, they were wearing handkerchiefs around their face. B, they didn't have gloves. C, they didn't have sanitizer. Somebody had to volunteer to get sanitizer from their homes to spray the hands of the people they were testing and then spray the device they were using to check the oxygen levels. I was so baffled and also so sad by the condition they have been left to go out in. Anyway, that's that for the coronavirus warrior story. Let's get to the questions. What is Can't Be Contained? Well, what are my goals with it? When I think about that, I want to provide a platform for ordinary common people who don't usually get a platform to voice their opinions or who don't know how to get their opinion out there. Now, I may at times go off my goal and get somebody famous. Maybe. I don't know. It's nice to have somebody famous on your podcast. But my main aim is to get to the common people, the people who aren't asked for their opinion, who don't get an opportunity to voice their opinion on important matters happening in society. Now, what happened to season 1? Why did it stop abruptly? Well, for those of you following season 1, which was the 21-day lockdown series, I don't know if everybody saw the notice, but I put up a notice on Instagram and Facebook. I don't think I put it up on Twitter. I'm not sure. But I had put up a notice saying that my laptop had crashed, but it was supposed to be a minor issue and I thought it would get fixed real soon, but it happened to be a really bad issue and had to be fixed by professionals, and so yeah, that took its time. And some may say I could have continued the podcast on my phone. See, the thing is, by the time I decided to do that, my phone also crashed. And since it was lockdown time still, shops were still opening up. There was no way I was getting a phone of my choice in that time. So I had to wait. It was a long wait. So I only recently got my laptop fixed, got a new phone, and well, with a lot of persuasion. Now here's a shout out. Persuasion from Adityan Vinod. Everywhere I go, every social media I post on, there will be Adityan saying, "Hey Carol, where's your podcast?" It's kind of annoying, but it's also very encouraging. So thanks, Adityan. And seeing that it was Teachers' Day recently, I would also like to give a shout out to two professors without which this podcast wouldn't have existed. The first professor is MR Sir Mohan Ramamurthy, who taught me audio writing and voice modulation and was an overall gem of a professor. Very fun to hang out with, and I'm really grateful to him. The second is Devdas Rajaram Sir, who is always very excited about new technological advancements and is always encouraging us to try out new things. And without his constant emails and updates of new technology that has come out, I wouldn't have found a way to get better at this podcast. I am very thankful for the both of them, and a happy Teachers' Day, belated of course. To all the teachers out there, I am very grateful to all of you all for all that you'll invest in your students' lives. I just swung off topic there. Alright. And the final question. What is season 2 going to be like? Honestly, I do not know. Well, I have everything set up and ready, and so I am very excited. We are now in the post-lockdown time where everything has started to open up, and people now have a sort of opinion about whether they want to follow the rules or whether they don't want to follow the rules, whether they find it beneficial or not. We're going to be looking at all of that, and I know I've said I'm so excited so many times, but truly I am. That's all for this podcast. I am really hoping that I face no more issues, and the first episode of season 2 will be posted on Monday, the 7th of September 2020. That's all for this introductory episode, and I will see you on the first episode of season 2 at 9 p.m. Till then, bye-bye! Just a side note, this whole podcast has been recorded on an app called Dolby On. I will link it in the description. Let me know if you like that. This is audio recorded plain and edited by me on Audacity. Let me know in the comments which one you liked better. Thank you.